Hello, Laurie here again. I just wanted to cover the radius again just a little bit more. So in split shoulder rings it's really important as well. If you can imagine the metal charging through the mould, hitting a piece of plaster which would create this split shoulder for us, and taking that corner clean off, it wouldn't be very strong. So a really nice thing to do is just add a radius to that as well. And again, 0.1 is enough. Just like that. It looks large, but remember 0.1 is tiny compared to a 2-bar saw blade. Even a 3-bar, it's still smaller than that. So yeah, if you can add small radiuses to things like that, it makes everything go so much more smoothly. Something else that you can do that will help if you want to is to add supports to shoulders. It's not always critical, but it can be quite helpful to you. I'll just turn that setting off, and doing that sort of thing, it's going to help prevent the shoulders being damaged in wax form. It's also going to keep things nice and strong on the tree while we're cleaning up the castings. That's all of that stuff helps. And then one other thing that you can do, which is again really useful, is to add a sprue even to your main piece. Doesn't have to be much, a couple of millimeters long is plenty. And just make it as large a diameter as possible. If you leave the end of the pipe rounded, then it forms into the bottom of the ring really nicely. We can add the rest of our sprue onto that, and it again just makes everything nice and clean. So thanks again for watching.